Hey guys, today we are making very refreshing and delicious no-bake fruit cheesecake. First, set the cake color in a ring, tape the end so that the jelly is not going to leak later. To make the crust, crush crackers and melt butter. Add the crackers and mix. Push well and chill in the fridge. Today I picked these fruits. You can use any of your favorites. I am cutting fruits for cheesecake filling and also jelly on top. For the filling, I recommend you not to cut them too small and leaving most of them with big chunks so that the filling is not going to touch too much moisture. Cut all the fruits ahead and remove all the excess moistures on the surface. And once done, chill them in the fridge. As a prep, slice some of the fruits for filling and attach on the side like that. I recommend you to do this ahead so that you can pipe the filling as soon as it is made. For the filling, soak gelatin sheet in ice water and let it hydrate for about 10 minutes. In the bowl, add cream cheese, sour cream, and sugar, and mix. Make sure that the cream cheese is softened at room temperature for them to blend really well. It'll be a headache to do this with a cold cream cheese. You know this if you do that before. And mix well until it looks very smooth. And whip up heavy cream until it gets stiff and fluffy. By whipping well like that, your cheesecake sets with less amount of gelatin, which creates a little bit more creamier texture. Now heat up lemon juice and orange juice together and add gelatin in it to let it melt. Mix well and make sure that it is completely melted. Add that to the cream cheese mixture and mix right away before gelatin starts getting hardened. Mix until it looks nice and smooth. And add the whipped cream and fold. Mix until it looks smooth and evenly blended. Now pipe some on the bottom and push in fruit. I like to set up big fruits first and push in smaller ones in the end between the gaps. Set them up so that you can see a lot of colors in one slice. Add some more filling on top and add some more fruits and smooth out the surface. Chill in the fridge for at least 1 hour before pouring the jelly. Just like how we did with the filling, soak gelatin in ice water and let it hydrate for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, in the pan, add water, lemon juice, and orange juice and heat it up until it starts simmering. Remove from heat and add sugar and let it melt completely. Now add gelatin and make sure it is melted completely and strain it. Set it aside until it cools down completely before pouring it on the cake. Slowly pour the jelly liquid on top. It'll spread and go into all the gaps between fruits. I like to tap the surface with a brush very gently. And since the jelly liquid is filled all the way to the top, don't try to carry it right away. Wait for a couple minutes to 5 minutes until the jelly starts to set up enough like this. And now chill for about 5 hours until the jelly is completely set. To cut the cake clean without squishing the fruits on top, move your knife fast like this. I also recommend you to heat up your knife with hot water or a torch to slice extra cream. This cake is very beautiful to look at and so delicious. Since it is filled with a lot of fruits, it is not heavy at all and very refreshing. By adding lemon juice and orange juice, both in filling and jelly, the cake tastes extra fruity. It's been so crazy hot lately, and this was definitely a perfect dessert to cool us down. I think you and your guests will also enjoy this special cake. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please let me know, and also check out my other videos about a lot of kind of desserts. And if you make this dessert at home, please let me know about how you enjoyed it. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.